In this video, I will show you how to add music to your video in Premiere Pro. Well, this is very easy thing to do. You have to just go to your project panel here, right click on it, and basically you will get an option to import. So here click on import right now, and wherever you have saved your music, for example mine is in my music folder. I can just select it, I will just click open, and here it is imported, and this is my music, right? So this is how you can import it. By the way, you can always drag it up. For example, this is here. I can just always click and hold and drag my music, right? And for example, sometimes you will face an error. By the way, let me show you. If this is turn off, and here you will not be able to take your music here. Sometimes you may face this kind of error. So what you have to do, there's another way to import your music. For example, just click and hold and drag it to your source panel. So this is my source panel. If you're not able to find, just go to Windows here and you will get an option of source, right? So make sure you just there should be a tick mark beside it, then you will able to find this option of source. And here this is my music. I will just drag and put it here. In this way, if you use your source panel, then you will not face any kind of error here. Now here you can just cut it out depending upon the required music you want, and now I can just play it up, right? So this is very easy thing to do. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.